Hi everybody, my name's Aaron, and I'm going to show you how you can twist in a twisting caliper on a 2013 Ford Edge. I don't have the tool. Don't worry, you don't have to buy the tool. You can use a screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, just about anything that you can use to have a twisting motion. I'll show you really quickly. It's a pain in the butt. You can do it with a pair of needle nose, but it's a real pain in the butt. You got to get in those grooves, and you got to spin, and it's real hard to do with the needle nose pliers. But what I found is that if you happen to have a circular saw or any other kind of table saw that has the tool that you'll use to lock in the table or the blade so that you can replace it, you can try using that. It just happens to fit perfectly on this Ford Edge. It makes for real easy turning. So no bother going to the parts store and paying the money to either rent or buy that tool when you probably have something at home that works just fine. As you can see, it's slowly moving in.